Welcome to Zervise for Slack. In this video, we'll show you how to automate the approval process for tickets as an agent. For the ticket approval process, you need to first request approval for a ticket assigned to you. Approval requests are handled using the approval workflow rules. To create an approval workflow rule, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon. Select Approval Workflow and click on New Approval Workflow. Fill up the rule name. These rules will be triggered whenever a ticket is created or edited. The approval process will start on the ticket only when the conditions are matched. Here we are creating a rule to start the approval process for open or in progress tickets containing the keyword refund. Enter the conditions and click Next. You can add multiple levels of approvers for more complex approval processes. For multi-level approvals, once one approver approves the ticket, it moves to the next level automatically. Now any user or an agent can create a ticket with matching values set in the approval workflow conditions. We are entering a ticket title containing the keyword refund. And since the ticket is a new ticket, the status of the ticket will be open. The approval rule will be triggered in the background, hence we need to refresh the ticket list once. Once the ticket is created, the status will be waiting for approval because of the automation rule. Go to the My Approvals list to see all tickets awaiting your approval. From here, select the tickets using the checkboxes. Click Approve or Reject to take action on the ticket. If there are more levels in the approval process, then the ticket will move to the next level once approved. Thank you for watching.